Hey, hi, it's Gareth here from Port Monkeys, and today we are on the Caribbean Princess. And we're up on Baja Deck 11, and there's a speaker right there playing music. We are in B726. And there's a green light there, meaning my medallion has worked again. Yeah, it's our anniversary. Well, in a few days. Anyway, this is a standard balcony cabin. Okay, so let's start in here first. So we've been laying on the bed for a few minutes. So it's unmade, you might say. I'm going to point out right now that there are no USB ports built in anywhere in this cabin. No USB ports, old ones, USB-Cs, nothing. It does, however, have 2 drawers in each nightstand and a little cubby hole, right? Has a chair, a vanity. It's got a couple lights there, which are almost useless, right? No drawer here, but you do have drawers here. Okay, so, and you got this shelf, which I put all our camera equipment on and my iPad, and I've got it charging. So over here you've got a phone. And what I want to show you real quick is if you have one of these blocks, like for your devices, and you plug it in here, you're not going to get anything else plugged in. This has 2 USA outlets, 2 American outlets, and a long phone cord. I don't know what that's about. So if I plugged in the blow dryer, I could probably plug in something else next to it, but it wouldn't be this, right? There's just no getting in there. So I just wanted to point that out. It's got 2 outlets there. You may not be able to use them both. Okay? So we have to unplug and plug in and unplug and plug in. There is an outlet, and I've got the TV pulled out. It's a nice big TV though. There is an outlet. Well, there's 2, but the TV's using 1. Back here. You see that? There's 2 USA outlets there. And so I plug in this little USB tower, which we've carried all over the world. Okay, that block over there, that's new. And so we charge watches and phones and things up here, cameras. Anyway, we asked for a tea kettle and teacups and tea, and they brought them to us. So we have that. Depending on where the ship is, we're taking a British Isles cruise this time. We actually were on Iceland and Greenland before this, and so this is like the end of 28 days on board, and I'm just getting around to doing the video. But anyway, so that's why that's there. We have an ice bucket. Our room steward Michelle fills every day. A couple glasses. Refrigerator with the remnants of our mini bar, which we still haven't finished, and we only have a couple more days. And of course we brought wine on board. It is a balcony cabin. There's a light switch here. Just be sure when you're not out here at night, and if you don't need the light, turn that light off, because other people need to see the stars. Of course, we're not going to see the stars now. This balcony is okay size. Some of the newer Princess ships, it's even narrower than this, but it's okay, right? 2 reclining chairs with ottomans and 1 table. See that? I'm going to call this 6 feet, maybe 5. It is completely covered completely covered. Down there on deck 10, they've got bigger balconies, so it's half covered. And down there on deck 9, those are new suites. They've got a balcony just like ours. Not covered at all. Unless you know, go way up there. Anyway, there's the front of the ship. That's the bridge sticking out. And we're right at the back of the ship. You know, right around there is the back. And we are, I guess they still call it North Sea, English Channel. We're in the English Channel now. Okay, we're going to be in Portland tomorrow. We have a Janet.
Doesn't come with every room.
No, unfortunately. Fortunately for me. We have a piece of artwork. I've been in a couple other cabins on board. They have the same artwork. Thermostat. No numbers. Sometimes this setting is really cold in here. We turn it up and then it gets really hot. So, you know, but right now it's very comfortable. It has one of these. Anyway, closet. So we've piled a bunch of junk up here on this shelf, and it holds a bunch of junk. That was left here by somebody else. It was here when we got it, right there. Laundry. A lot of closet space. There weren't enough hangers, and so they brought us some wire hangers, but there weren't enough hangers. Of course, remember, we had to pack for a month. Shelves, safe, not a microwave. That's the cruise ship joke, right? Oh, my microwave doesn't work. It's a safe. Don't look at my underwear. Lots of space here. Bathroom. Of course, it's got a clothesline. Hooks over there. I don't think we've used it at all this cruise. It does not have removable shower heads. It does have like adjustable ones though, and you can move that thing around, see? The bottom knob is temperature. It used to have numbers, I think. There are no numbers anymore. This will lock in just when it gets a little bit hot, and you have to push it in to make it hotter or cooler. And then this is, you know, water pressure. Oh, there, I changed the thing. Little shelf there. Shampoo and conditioner. Shower gel. Okay, remember that. Over here, we have hand soap, and there's a bottle of lotion, which Janet has on her nightstand. And of course, one of these. Wrap around. 3 shelves. Somewhere here, oh yeah, that's the outlet for razors. I have toilet paper, trash, tissues. Our tissue box like drops down every so often. No big deal. So that's the cabin. It's standard Princess balcony cabin. No couch. That's a deluxe balcony here, you know. Kind of cramped, but you get used to it. Now let's talk about the television. So Princess has pretty good TV. There's lots of things to watch. There's lots of information here. You know, places we go, good to know. The Wake Show, that's the cruise director's show.
Janet from the Port Monkeys. She says, "Hi Sophie, I want to wish my hubby Gareth a happy 69th birthday. I'll always be your monkey." Oh, happy birthday, Gareth. You know the drill, people. This is your birthday song. It isn't very long. Have a great day, Gareth. 69. What a wonderful year.
We've got the bridge cam. Remember, if you watch the bridge cam, the captain's announcements will come over it when they don't come in the room. Our location, guest services, Vibe. So if you go to Vibe, this is new on Princess, right? And go to entertainment and events and go to enrichment lectures and go, oh, they're all gone. Well, here's the interview with the captain. We went to that earlier. But normally you would have port talks, and you can watch them in your cabin rather than go in the theater and watch them. I want to show you movies and TV. So it has movies. Featured movies under the stars. On location in Europe, Belfast. We went to Belfast. So, true, most of the movies are older. Some of them really old, right? Some of them you've never heard of. Oh, that's a documentary. It does go all the way, oh, Spanish movies, you know. It's not just the ones you're seeing. It's, you know, 15, 20 movies in each. Live TV. This is the one drawback on every cruise ship I've ever been on. BBC, CNBC, Fox, and MSNBC, and the rest is sports or whatever. Oh, they've got Sky News. And, of course, the bridge cam again. So, but TV series. So there's all those. There's all those. Love Boat. Anyway, that's the TV. I just wanted to show you that. And that's the cabin in a nutshell. I'm going to right now sign off, but I'm going to move this bed and show you something that's behind it. All right? Stay tuned. So I moved the bed and I unplugged that lamp down here so you could see. I think that's a European style outlet. So you could plug in your Euro outlets, your cords, right? But then you don't have that lamp. So it's up to you. This nightstand moves. The one on that side does not move. So if you have this as two twins, they move that over there and move the bed against the wall, right? So the room has 3 automatic lights, you know, motion sensitive. One in here. There, see? And then one under each nightstand. This one's not working. And most of the cruise, it was on the ground. I put it on each day, but it fell down. And then I put it on and it fell down. But you should know that it has them. That's cabin Baja 726. Until next time, I'm Gareth.
I'm Janet.
And we'll see you in the next port. Bye.